All right, guys, this is the intake manifold off of my Ford Mustang 2005 4-liter V6. And what I'm doing here is I have a inspection camera. I picked it up at Harbor Freight, not a sponsor. The brand name is Ames, not a sponsor. It does have LEDs on the end of the stick here. You put the stick in there and it lights up the camera. And what I'm doing basically is giving a colonoscopy to my intake manifold. Now the reason I'm doing this is because the last engine I had on my car had a major engine failure with regards to the intake valves. The pistons hit the valves, they blew into a million pieces, the valves flipped upside down, jammed into the pistons. There's no telling what may be lodged inside the intake manifold. Now before I swap this intake manifold over to the next engine and risk destroying a $4,000 remanufactured engine, I'm going to stick this into the hole all the way up through here until I can see every last bit of this and make 100% sure that there's no bits of intake valve lodged inside the intake manifold. You do not want that crap going into your new engine and destroying it, because that's not a warrantable issue there. So you'll be out $4,000 for an engine in this situation. Just take my time, look at the edges of the intake manifold in there. Put the scope in by hand down there further and further while you watch. I'm holding the camera with one hand, therefore I'm going to do it this way right here. This is an example right here. Look around every square inch. You can also shine your flashlight through it into all these holes here as well, just to do a preliminary. I don't see any barnacles in here. Once again, this is just a preliminary. You want to make sure there's no bits of valve lodged into the side of the intake manifold. Okay, we are all the way in. As you can see, this is the large intestine. Off to the left is the duodenum. I've got the scope kind of bent a little bit so that it'll go in at an angle here. No bits of valve floating around. Repeat for all 6 holes, and then I'm also going to go into the front hole here, all the way in. Okay, and make sure there's no valves in there. That's where the throttle body goes. Oh, right there, we got a pallet. All right. See that little white dot right there? That's a pallet. And what that is just something you need to reach in and get out. You can also just blow compressed air in there. And all right, doing the holes on this side now. All right, boys, she is clean. I don't see any more barnacles in the rest of these holes here. This is a great thing to do before you slap this thing onto the next engine. Oh my goodness. Look at all of that garbage in there. Zoom in, please. Zoom in more, please. Yeah, that's why we do this, you guys. That is no good. That, maybe I can get in there and clean that out. We'll see, but the safe bet in this situation would be a new intake manifold, unfortunately. But yeah, like I said, maybe I can get down in there and clean all that. All right, boys, I do happen to have some good news here. I just took a water hose and ran it through here for about 10 minutes, and also ran it through each of the bores, all the ports there for the intake. And I don't see any more debris and barnacles and bull crap down in there. Let me try to get you a good view. It does appear that everything was taken out of there. I do not see it anymore. There's a good view. All that sparkliness is just water droplets. So it took it all out and flushed it out. Ladies and gentlemen, I am excited about that.